You booked a call, you had a dream to speak Italian like in a movie scene. But when the time came, where did you go? You disappeared, classic no-show. Now Duolingo says, great job today. You matched a picture and you're on your way. 5 years later, same old routine. Buongiorno still feels like a distant dream. Meanwhile at Piazza Square Italian School, people speak Italian by breaking the rules. Not little app games, not endless delay. Real immersion gets results every day. Our assessment call is totally free. If we can't help, we'll show you the key. If we can't help, we'll still point the way. But you have to show up on the day. So rebook the call, don't let it expire. Italy is waiting, don't quit your desire. Keep scrolling excuses or finally begin. Piazza Square immersion is where Italian dreams